So today we are going to start a new course, that is chemical quality assurance. You people know that nowadays everybody is health conscious, and obviously because of that everybody is concerned with quality product. Whatever they are purchasing from the market, its quality should be good and up to the mark. So today we are going to discuss about concept and importance of chemical quality control in dairy industry. The strict quality control involves both chemical as well as microbiological quality of the food product. Whatever food product is sold in the market, they should meet the chemical as well as microbiological standards fixed for that product. And this quality control means it should deter the adulteration of milk and will improve the quality of raw milk. Obviously, quality of raw milk will determine the quality of the product prepared from that particular raw milk. Improvement of the raw milk quality through regular checks can improve the quality of the milk products prepared from such milk. It will install the confidence in national consumers who are drifting away from the indigenous milk products. It will also increase the export potential of Indian milk products, where quality is most important thing, and milk products are being rejected because of inferior quality only. So finally, the national image with reference to Indian milk quality should be improved. The strict quality control will also increase the revenue of a dairy producer, obviously. So what is quality control and quality assurance? As per ISO 8402/1994, quality is the totality of features and characteristics of a product or service that bear on its ability to satisfy stated or implied needs. Quality is inversely proportional to variability. Quality control involves the set of activities used to ensure that the products and services meet or fulfill requirements for the quality of that product. Traditionally, quality control is a laboratory function, you people know, and it is related to analysis of samples, that is, testing and judging of raw materials and finished products for acceptance or rejection by the consumer. What is purpose and aim? It includes to ensure that products are within the well-defined and accepted standards, thereby protecting the legal and health rights of consumers and financial interests of producers or manufacturers. Limitations include recall of products is more because products are tested in the last stage or as finished products. This ultimately bears the impact on reputation of the company. Quality assurance includes set of activities which ensures that the quality levels of products and services are properly maintained and that the supplier and customer quality issues are properly resolved. Quality assurance gives adequate confidence that product or service will satisfy given requirements for the quality. It has two purposes, internal as well as external. Internal obviously means within an organization. So quality assurance provides confidence to the management. And external purpose means outside the organization, which provides confidence to the consumers or others that particular milk product is meeting the quality required. Compared to quality control, quality assurance is much wider in the sense it demands full control over the quality of raw materials as well as control over the process at different levels and distribution setup, etc. Important thing is that prevention rather than detection is main notion of quality control. It is a proactive approach rather than a reactive approach. Objectives and importance of quality assurance includes it should be done to maintain legal standards and legal requirements. Next one is to fulfill customers' requirements in terms of various attributes, including physical, for example, body, texture, color, etc. of the product. Chemical composition means fat, SNF, protein, etc. along with amount of different constituents present in that particular milk product. Microbiological means it should meet up to the standards of direct microscopic count, methylene blue reduction test, 10-minute resazurin reduction test, etc. Safety aspect means the product should not transmit any kind of disease or hazardous material like antibiotics, heavy materials, pesticide residues, etc. in the milk products. So ultimately the main objective is that consumers should get what they pay for, means quality product. This leads to increased consumer satisfaction and obviously less complaints. Next is to check adulteration in incoming material in order to prevent substandard product hazards or problems in the process. Next, to check efficiency of processes, for example, heating, cooling, removing hardness from water, effluent treatment, etc. To safeguard nutritive value of milk and milk products, obviously. It should in no condition be lost during processing. To check wastage of materials, to help in research and developments, to ensure general cleanliness and sanitation in factory premises, to maintain proper hygienic conditions. What are its benefits? It includes reduction in unit cost of production, reduction in wastage and scrap, less complaints for customer, avoids repeated inspection. As there will be less complaint, obviously, repeated inspection wouldn't be required. Increases production since rejection reduces, efficiency of unit goes up, management gets proud place in society, boost employees' morale, reduction in production bottlenecks. Now, role of quality assurance department. There are few important roles which should be maintained. First one includes sanitation. It defines requirements for cleaning and sanitary activity and their monitoring. Sanitation standard operating procedure should be followed, that is SSOP, standard operating procedure. Good manufacturing practices must be there. Foreign material control should be followed. Quality control, including chemical as well as microbiological testing, must be done in routine way. Documentation control, pest control, hazardous material control, allergen protocol for controlling allergenic material, record control in terms of identification and maintenance of records, calibration of glassware should be done properly, water quality and water treatment programs, sensory training and sensory evaluation must be done in routine way. supplier certification and ongoing supplier evaluations, receiving, storage and control of raw ingredients and packaging materials, control of non-conforming product and process, product identification, traceability and product recall, handling customers' complaints properly, labeling in terms of application and control of labels should be done properly, preventive maintenance, formalized management review process, wastewater, that is effluent treatment program should be done, training of workers of the industry should be done time to time in order to improve their skills, corrective or preventive action, that is root cause analysis and follow-up evaluation to confirm effectiveness of action taken, and internal auditing must be done time to time. Now let us see what is statistical quality control. During World War II, there was a tremendous requirement for mass production of weapons and other materials, which necessitated the concept of quality control by making use of statistical tools. This use of statistical tools in controlling the processes was termed as statistical quality control. This was an extension of the inspection phase where inspectors provided with a few statistical tools such as sampling plans and control charts. The most significant contribution was sampling inspection rather than total inspection. Sampling inspection was most important thing. It is the collection, analysis, and interpretation of data to solve a particular problem. Statistical quality control concept provides a basis for determining a good or acceptable process behavior model. Any deviation from the model can be traced, identified, and eliminated from a process so that it continues to produce product of acceptable quality. Now let us see what is Deming's philosophy. Edward Deming proposed his concept of quality assurance. It involves both process monitoring and eliminating the causes of unsatisfactory performance at all stages. It is the name given to entire cycle of activities through which the fitness for use of process, product, or service is achieved with a view to carry out a company's quality function in accordance with the laid down quality objective and policies. Quality control has been divided into 4 activities, that is plan, do, check, and act. And this is known as Deming's Pdca cycle or Pdca wheel. Pdca stands for plan, do, check, and act. Here you can see the Deming's wheel, which includes plan, do, check, and act. Plan includes determine goals and targets, then determine methods of reaching to that particular goals. Do includes engage in education and training and implement work. Check includes check the effects of implementation, and act includes take appropriate action. Here you can see plan means establishment of goals, standardized working procedures, and train all the employees working in the plant. Do means carry out the work according to plan. Check includes verify for compliance with the plan, and act includes in case of is required. It is the universal model and covers all the activities relating to quality control, quality assurance, as well as quality improvement. Now let us see what is quality control. During passes of time, a separate quality control department came into existence in each factory, which devoted itself primarily to quality functions. And their role was to examine the finished product with a view to verify whether it fulfilled requirements for quality or not. Now let us see total quality control. Quality functions cannot be truly achieved by quality control department alone, and for that 7 departments are working all together to achieve the goals fixed. These 7 departments include Field Force, Research and Development Department, Chemist or Design Engineer, Purchase Department, Plant Operators, Inspectors, and Sales Departments, and all the departments have different works to do to ultimately achieve the goal. First of all, field force are working in the field and they can determine the quality needs of the consumers, which type of product is demanded by the customers. The Research and Development Department creates a product concept which can meet these needs. Chemist or design engineer then prepare product and material specifications suitable for the required quality and specify procedures and instruments to measure the quality of the product. Again, purchase department have to procure materials of the right quality for preparation of that particular product. Plant operators use the processes and equipments to manufacture that product. Inspectors measure the quality attributes and determine fitness of the product for use. Sales department obviously market the product and take care at pre-sale stage, on-sale stage, and after-sale stage. And again, field force gives consumers reaction who bring need of customers. Ultimately, after product reaches to the consumers, they have to collect consumers' reaction. That is, it creates opportunities for the product improvement, which in turn restarts the whole cycle of activities. Total quality control is an integrated organizational approach to delight customers by meeting their expectations on a continuous basis through involvement of everyone in the organization. It is an effective system of integrating quality development, quality maintenance, and quality improvement efforts of various groups in an organization to provide product or service at the most economical levels and which meet full customer satisfaction. Obviously, it helps in minimizing rejection and rework on the particular product. Now let us see quality assurance. ISO 8402/1994, according to this, it comprises the planned and systematic activities implemented within the quality system to provide adequate confidence that a given entity will fulfill requirements for the quality. All quality assurance activities serve to build confidence internally among the management of organization and externally among its customers as well as authorities. Important role is to build confidence. Quality assurance has to be built into the process, which includes creating records, documenting plans, documenting specifications, and reporting reviews. Such activities and documentation serves to control quality as well as assure it. Now, total quality management. It may be defined as an integrated organizational approach in delighting customers by meeting their expectations on a continuous basis through everyone involved, with the organization working on continuous improvement in all spheres, namely process, products, and service, along with proper problem-solving methodology. Tools including statistical quality control, total quality control, as well as quality assurance often solve problem in one area of business, such as quality of supply or excellence in manufacturing. So what is required is a process designed to focus on customer expectations, preventing problems, building commitment to quality in workforce, and promoting open decision making. So total quality management is in fact a journey. It is the path as well as the goal. Basic principle of total quality management includes be customer focused, means place the customer at the center of everything you do, and they should be satisfied with the product. Then only complete success will be achieved. Next, do it right first time and every time. That is, quality should be maintained on priority basis and always it must be maintained. Continuous improvement by using the tool of PDCA in every aspect of work. Next is communication and education. Communication with the people to tell what is going on related to that product in the industry, and training of the workforce of the industry must be done regularly in order to educate and improve their skill. Measured and recorded while finalizing the goals. The quality indicators should be finalized. Record the measures as per prescribed documentation. It allows the company to make decisions based on facts and not opinion. Next is do it together, that is introduce team working in the industry, which reduces conflict and infighting and increases trust and respect. Fighting problems with wider range of skill, therefore better and more balanced solution of any problems arise related to the product can be given. Now, benefits of total quality management. Total quality management can bring several benefits not only for company but also for consumers as well as employee of that company. If total quality management is implemented properly, you can see for customers, it will take greater care of customers' need and demand, and it will give value for the money in providing quality product to the customers, so that they will get greater satisfaction, leading to better availability of the product in the market, which will result in better customer loyalty. For organization, continuous improvement in quality is obviously required, which will reduce the cost of preparation and increase in productivity. Better motivated workforce will be there, so that there will be less defects in the products. Faster solution of problems can be found out, which result in increased cash flow and net profit for the company. And ultimately for employees of the company, they will get more empowered and more respect by the society for providing quality product. More training will be given under total quality management, so that they will be better skilled, they will be appreciated and recognized in the society ultimately leading to work satisfaction to these employees. That's all. Thank you. Thank you very much.